The term titmouse began surfacing in English slang as a playful insult or a cheeky nickname for someone acting silly, clueless, or maybe a little obnoxious. So if you hear someone call you a titmouse, don't think it's strictly an insult. It's more of a light-hearted jab. The tufted titmouse is known for its playful behavior, often engaging with objects such as twigs or leaves. People who have the tufted titmouse as their totem or spirit animal are often characterized as optimistic, talkative, and funny.